Abuakwa Presbytery of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana has held its 2026 New Year School of Ministry and Bicentennial Lecture at the Ebenezer Congregation Chapel, Kyebi. The event, which took place on Friday, February 20, 2026 from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., was under the theme Building on the Foundation Already Laid, the Role of Church Leaders. It formed part of activities marking the church's bicentennial celebrations and efforts to strengthen leadership within the presbytery. The presbytery chairperson, Reverend Professor Seth Asaridanso, officially opened the program, while the presbytery clerk, Reverend Paul Kwame Dakon, conducted the roll call and handled announcements. The event brought together ministers, elders, and lay leaders for reflection, teaching, and strategic dialogue.
When the atosomiansa ayaye, yashase 2024. Yedi kind 2024 and a year. Anna last year twice so na fie so yaye. Jumadie botaya si ani so nyina ne say New Year school. Yase ya sori nhihye, ye wo bia a friend continuous education. Continuous education e kire say ebere bia yenkoso ensuesua asafo emo asa na se dwuma ayeye ho asem se na be beboa na yebetime dia ya asafo no mu adwuma yenhia modie na ya sofo catechists for caretakers lay reps for the district and afa group leaders only a target group esan se won nyina ye de mpanyindie anase won nyina ye leaders for various groups in the presbytery enti won ana afeso ayeto nsa frɛ won sɛ won mra na yen nyina yensua de yensua ne ma ɛfa asafo no ho yensua ne ma ɛfa dwumadi a wɔde ahyɛ nsa sɛ dikanfo no ho afie enso so ye frɛ yem papa Reverend Dr. Kofi Amfo Akono sɛ ɔno nso ɛmfa ne nim de emra mɛkyerɛkyerɛ na ɔno nso ɛbae na ne wa kyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma bebree wa kyerɛkyerɛ asafo no anase asafo mpanyimfo yedwumadie ɛsɛse edi na ɛbɛboa na asafo no mu dwumadie no ɛbɛkɔ kan a theme a yɛde yɛ ne building on the foundation already laid fapma yɛde kan ato a ɛyɛ Kristo fapem no ɛno ɛso na yɛn so yɛto asi te sɛ yɛde kanfo yi abɛkyerɛkyerɛ yɛn sɛ adwumadie a ɛsɛse edi a ɛbɛboa na de adikanfo no ɛhyehyɛ yɛ no a ɛboa Kristo asafo no sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛtumi akɔ kan na nkwankwa yɛ sɛ yɛbɛtu anamɔn bi a ɛbɛdwiri fapem a yɛde asi no eti na adwumadie no to all the 29 districts and so one day representation by ama ayefɛ pa
medin de osofo Kofi Amfo Akono me district minister was Sakamai Gan West and woto nsa frɛ me sɛ memra Akyem Abuakwa ha na me no won medin komo. They have a New Year school and the theme is building on the foundation already laid. Building on the foundation already laid, the role of the church leader. Entina asafunumu mpenimfo, asofo, ashefo, asafo mpenin, group leaders ni ade no waboa wo nyina no na megye di se woya ade papa me de nidi bema presbytery chairperson ne ba asonfo nyina. They have gathered a lot of people across the presbytery. They are here. And we are interacting. And the issues are very simple issues. The issues range from our heritage. What is the heritage we have received from our forebears? Missionaries by near Mamma and Papa no near bay say and one jaw at the Amaya. As I say, yea, yes, share the yesibribe so. Now I have tried to mention say the foundation is already established, Jesus Christ. But we must also be careful how we build on it. Because if you have a very firm foundation and you build on it, but you don't build well. For instance, cement and come, iron rods and come, ensu asese odigum wa anya enough and nneema etesa no na wo ye mortar no na wo build it on a foundation that is very strong. Still you have the building collapsing. Enti ya ya bachi no then building ye di si foundation so. I also try to explain to them that the foundation is one, but others have already built on this foundation. They built with prayer. They built with service. They built with discipline. They built with order. And niema huru bebre no won de asisi so. Enti yen so ya be Yesu Kristo foundation no wo ho. Nia yen ma menom ne yen papa nom ne afoforo asi so no. Eno so ne ye bebesi. We are not starting anything new. And we must be careful how we build on those foundations.
Oh, when the messia dear bebre, near na me interest when we motivation and I say how to deal with the church members. You say no, baby, I send a corner near my corner name, and in as much as said in your mere semo a day shower or say a mark or cross so a dorsal. So I say something like motivation, not necessarily giving them money, but nipani ya the money who send your year, no, when you saw and it's a son in another so be a. Omi nyina ye monsem ma we krampa ma ne hu se kakra na wo ye de boa no ye hu na ye ni so ba se ye na se yanka ho hwe ni ehu ni se nyame adwuma nti obi anya bia da bi se ne nsor na doso obi atwi obi ente no betumi aboa the next time san papa kan ye to makoma so ye e de bia na ye se aso ne de ye ka eno nti no ye kwa asor na ye hwe asor ne strength ne ye make demands eno so so ya de bia Emma a big deal because who is set so for one way and as I saw for near way but say more who said Kakana one. Ya ready say any more betcha, meaning say and no. As we say, I've learned that one too. Meaning say a cambo man, a besher rade, any monyam, my rade, eduma so, akoso, et yabekoso, and a summer rade, and your yam say a day.